Hi Julie. Let me help you out with those books.
It's okay, Phil. I can manage, thanks. I parked my car just over there.
I was wondering if you could give me a ride? My car broke down last night and I don't think I can walk home. It's a long way to go on foot, it will wear me out. I tried calling my wife to come and pick me up, but she is not picking up my calls.
No worries. I can drop you off on my way home. When is your car getting fixed?
To be honest, I am putting off repairs until I get paid. I'm so glad I ran into you. You really saved my day.
Sorry I'm late, Matt. My friends and I got together last night, and we got a little carried away with the celebration. I went to bed late, and I ended up oversleeping.
That's okay, I was late too. My son came down with a cold, and I had to take him to the hospital.
I hope he gets well soon. You should have stayed home to look after him.
My wife is taking care of him. She just got over the flu and now my son has it.
Hang in there. I'm sure he will recover soon. We're going out for dinner tonight. Are you coming along?
Can I take a rain check on that? I have to work late tonight.
You have been working so hard. You deserve to get away for a week.
I'm looking forward to the Christmas break.
Tell me about it. I'm so glad you showed up today. I thought you were not coming.
I freed up my day. We have a lot of catching up to do.
That's right. So word has it, you have finally asked Gina out on a date. Is that true?
Yes. I finally worked up the courage and got over the fear of rejection.
Well, there's a saying that goes, if you don't try, then you've already failed.
You're right. And guess what? We've made it to the third date already.
I'm so happy for you. Let's eat out tonight, so I can meet her.
Sounds good. That would cheer her up. She is feeling low today. I think her job is bringing her down.
So we should definitely hang out tonight.
I'll call her up later to check on her. I hope she doesn't turn my invitation down.
Fingers crossed.